21 liters. So now, if 21 liters was added, that means we need to find quantities of fraction that was as well added. So then say after 21 liters being added to the initial gauge, it is now 5/8 full. So I'm going to describe that to be current gauge. Current gauge is now 5/8 full. Now, what does this mean? It means that initially the tank was 3/5 full. And after these quantities of liters of fuel was added, then the gauge became 5/8 full. That means a fraction was added, a fraction of quantities was added to this initial gauge to now have this quantity. So to find that fraction of quantity that was added to this to now get this, that means we have to find a difference between the current gauge and the initial gauge. So I'm going to say added fraction is equals to 5/8 minus 3/5. So 5/8 minus 3/5. As usual, we find the LCM of 5 and 8, which is going to give you 40, and then 8 in 40 will give you 5. Then the 5 times this 5, we are going to have 25 minus, then 5 in 40 will give us 8. 8 times this 3, which is the numerator, we are going to get what? 24. So that means 25 minus 24, we are going to have 1/40. So 1/40 of the quantity of fuel, 1/40 of the quantity of fuel was added to this 3/5 to now have a new gauge. So since this is the quantity added, 21 liters, that means 21 liters represents this fraction, because this is the fraction of quantity that was added. So 21 liters represents 1/40. So if 21 liters represents 1/40, then the question now says how many liters of fuel can the tank hold? That means the capacity of the tank. Since we now know that this 21 liters was the quantity of fuel that was added, and then this fraction equivalence of this quantity that was added, that means this 21 liters represents this 1/40. So if 1 out of 40 is 21 liters, that means 2 out of this 40 will be what? 21 times 2, and then 3 out of this 40 will be 21 times 3. So that means the total quantity or the capacity of the tank is this 40, and 1 out of it is this 21 liter. So to find the full capacity, we just simply say we flip this fraction, which is 40/1. So there is no need putting over 1, because 40/1 will still give us what? 40. So 40 times 21. So this is 840 liters is the capacity of the tank.